we're down in Krakow and we're moving to Gdańsk. So let's go! We are now at Gdańsk. I just arrived. Look at this. Tingnan nyo, ang laki din ng kanilang airport. And they look quite organized man. Tingnan mo. Diba? At ang linis. They are so clean talaga. Dito talaga sa Poland, ang linis talaga nila. And here we notice na dito sa Gdańsk, may mga translation, ang mga instruction dito sa airport. Doon sa Krakow, most of it are Polish lang language. Dito, meron silang English. Look, follow your line out. Look, follow your line out. O, diba? So, meron silang instruction na English. So, hanapin ko muna yung aking mga kasamahan because I lost them. Yan. See? Oh, look, ang laki ng pangalan ng company na yan. Perhaps malaki ang contribution nila dito sa airport na ito. Anyway, look at this. They've got a train as well. May train sila dito directly going to the city. But then, according to CC, it will take us 1 hour to go there. And we've got everything. We've got a lot of luggages. So that's why we're going to take a car na lang. And this one, look at this. While they are still finding out how are we going to go to the main city, I'm going out here in the airport and I will ask. Hi, hello. You speak English?
Yes.
Yeah, we are going to the main town, the main city.
Old town, yes.
Yes, but we want to know whether what is best, to take a taxi or Uber.
Taxi directly, Uber. There's illegal immigrants driving on Uber.
All right.
There's a lot of border guards coming out five times a day to check our passports of these guys. These guys are all Polish drivers.
Okay.
And the price is almost the same.
Sure?
Yes.
Sure, they're not going to this one?
95 fixed price to the old town.
95 zloty. Okay, all
Uber
right.
is probably about 60, 80, 70, something like this. Sometimes even 160. So
okay.
it's hard to compare.
Right, yes,
It depends what time of the day it is.
So this one, wherever in the city, in the city, is 95
fixed
price. Okay, thank
you. I'll give you the card for later on as well. Okay.
Yes, no problem. Thanks.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
The place to go?
Thai massage. Oh, Thai massage. Durga. Hi mga bibi, I'm in Gdańsk now and this is our view. So ito yung aming view dito sa aming Airbnb. Tingnan nyo naman, diba? Ang ganda-ganda. Oh. Kaya lang, ang taas-taas namin and there is no lift, but never mind, I can manage. That's not a problem. Pero ang ganda niya. Ayan na, lagyan mo lang dyan. Yan na, this is our accommodation. Look at this. Yeah, we have a very nice view. Kaya lang, nasa 8th floor kami, mga anak. It's not good for the legs. Daddy, you're so lucky. Hindi ikaw nagbuhat ng luggage na mabibigat. There you are. But it's so beautiful here. Look, ito yung aming accommodation. Oh, look at that. That is our view. That window there. Yan yung window na yan doon. That is our bedroom. So, ito siya ang view namin. Yan. Look at this. Hello, vlog.
Philharmonic Center.
Oh, wow. Look at that. But we're not going there. Doon kami pupunta sa mga restaurants dyan sa baba. That's Hilton. And more restaurants, I think, in the other side. So we will just walk in the promenade. And then, tingnan nyo yung mga ships na yan. Oh. Diba? Ang ganda. Very beautiful view. That's a bridge. Oh, look at that. Oh, bridge pala yan. Ito. Bridge pala siya. Look. Ayan, people are crossing. Ah, ang galing ah. Tingnan nyo. See? Let me put that away first. Ayan na. Go guys! You can walk now. Cross the bridge. You can cross the bridge now. Let's move forward a bit more. I am almost on the edge of our balcony because I want to show you people crossing that bridge. Go, go guys. Go. There. Oh, they're opening the gate. And there you are guys. Asan na sila? Lapitan natin ng konti pa. Yan. Look at that. O, diba? They are now crossing the bridge. Go, go, go. Oh, see? Two-way, two-way. Ah, very good ah. Ang galing. Oh, and then you can cross na doon naman sa other side ng river. And there is a... What's this? Oh, that's where you can take picture there with the name Gdansk. I cannot pronounce it properly, but never mind. Look at lahat ng tao. See, they look like so happy that they managed to cross that bridge. There you are. Yes, we are now here again. So, ayan. We're looking for somewhere to eat. Let's have a picture in that Motlawa Apartments because the door is very beautiful. Okay, go. This restaurant was highly recommended, but they are closed. Oh, they only open from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. So I don't know why, but that's how it says. That's what it says. Pork and beef burgers on the other side. Okay, okay. And here, since that's closed, we have to look for somewhere else to eat. Yeah, first dinner in Gdansk is pasta. No, pasta. Lasagna with pizza. So yan ang aming kakainin. Kasi nagsawa na kami sa Polish food. But anyway, we will try again tomorrow. Are you sure it's small? Yeah.
The way you talk to me, parang,
yes, my comfort is
sa bagay
there.
ako, yung mga pajama ko puno lahat butas.
Just hot water for me. Because it's
Puno lahat
cold.
butas. Ewan ko, yung
It's
gusto
very
kong pajama
cold
yun, yung mga
here.
butas-butas.
That's tolerable. Kasi alam, look, meron namang heater. Look, oh, diba? Kaya okay lang.
Nag-vlog walang daldal natin. Mag-abiso ka naman.
Hayaan mo na. My lasagna for dinner. And brother is having his pizza. There you are. Itong dalawa naghihintay pa ng kanilang food. Kawawa naman sila. Hintay kayo. I know. I'm taking a blanket. I know. Thank you. I've got a blanket because it's so cold. So, I'm taking this home. Ikaw nga nag-ice pa eh. O, ibang klase eh.
Kasi para matunaw maging water.
Okay, put salt.
Ilagay mo dito, pasindi natin.
Tiramisu. We'll try tiramisu from Gdansk. No, you're not there. Sige na, try nyo na.
Sandali, nagpipicture pa siya.
Ayan mga bibi, we're done eating dinner. So, madilim na. It's so dark already. But it is only around... What time is it? I know, what time is it?
It's time to go shopping.
It's time to go shopping. 7:40. Ah, Justicia de Piatos. I don't know what is this, but anyway, it's a beautiful building somewhere here in Gdansk. And we're just going to cross that road to go to that mall. But we are just waiting for sister. Oh my God! That's a very nice dog. Look. Doggy, doggy. Van Graf. Baka dito sa mga ano? Sige, dito ako. Ayan, mga bibi, I've got a bonnet now. Bonnet. head cover, whatever you call it, beanie. Yes, they call this beanie kasi masyadong malamig sa labas. So I need to cover my ears. Ayan. So ang bili ko dito, how much? 39 zloty. Yes, yan ang pera nila. So 39. So para mga 10 pounds siguro. Ayan. Pero kailangan kasi masyadong malamig sa labas. So that's why I am inside the mall here in Gdansk. Malaki at maganda rin yung mall nila. Marami kang mabibili. Ayan. Oh. Yes. So, maglalakad na kami ulit. And we are going to find Brother Greg. And look at this, guys, ha? May papakita ko sa inyo. I'm not so sure if this is real. I'm not so sure if that is real Monstera. So, ang gagawin natin, let's go down and find out if that is real. And look at that, oh. Yung kanilang, sa gitna ng kanilang mall, meron silang parang river kuno. And then, wishing river, wishing well, parang wishing well. Punong-puno na siya ng coins. Ayan. Kung ako sa kanila, I will exchange it to cash, proper cash, so that people can benefit from it than just leaving it there. But that's my opinion. Tingnan niyo siya, ha? So let's go down and see, because I am really wondering whether that is a real Monstera. Oh, here we are, mga bibi ko. We are going to check whether these leaves are for real. Kasi pero they've got flowers, oh. Tingnan nyo, oh. May bulaklak yung peace lily doon. So, I assume na totoo din ito. Pero sobrang dami niya, ha? Oh, yes, it's for real. Ay, oo nga. Totoo nga siya. Totoo nga siya. Wow naman. Kalaki-laki naman Monstera ito. Look. Totoo talaga siya. Kakatuwa, ah. Ang galing naman. Oh. Ang ganda. Look, it's so big. Big. Very good po talaga. There, and then you charge. They provide a chair for you, and you can charge. Look. Oh, right here. Meron yan.
And there's the saksa.
And you've got saksa.
There's the saksa.
Yung ang basurahan nila, they've got recycling, plastic, and they've got glass, and other, and paper. Oh, galing, no? See? Malinis pa. Mga bibi. First day namin dito sa Gdansk. At gabing-gabi na. We're still on the street. We had our dinner, as I told you. We went to the shops to buy this one because it's so cold. And now we are off to our B&B. Airbnb. Kasi malamig na, and then we are so tired. We need to go na and have a rest. So hopefully you enjoyed our first day here in Gdansk, and I will see you again on my next vlog. So it's time to say bye-bye.